educators and people watching this video. Thank you so much for all the love and support. My name is Shahrukh. Today I'm going to show you how exactly you can customize your logo on the note option or the whiteboard. Just click on the note. The note will be opened. Now here you have a menu option. Just click on background. Just click on background again. Here you have an image. Add an image. Select from where you want to add it. Now for example, here is one logo. I want to add it in the whiteboard. So you have your brand name and the board along with it. So that way you'll be able to customize the logo in your whiteboard, at the same time have a brand of what your classes or what your school is all about. Thank you.